Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to download and install Canon F166 400 printer driver on Windows 10 and 11. I opened my PC the other day and needed to install a printer driver for my Canon F166 400, and I realized the cleanest way to do this is directly through the official support site. So I launched my browser on my Windows 10 and Windows 11, searched for the official Canon support page where all drivers and firmware downloads are stored. Then I went into the drivers and download section and selected my operating system version to make sure I get the correct compatibility. And after that, I searched for my Xstack printer model so the right driver package would show up. Then I clicked the download button and waited for the file to finish downloading. And once it was ready, I opened the installer, which was either an executable or a zip package depending on the version, extracted if needed, and ran the setup file, then followed the installation prompt step by step while Windows asked for permission to proceed. And after everything completed, the printer was automatically detected and ready to use, which honestly makes the whole setup process pretty straightforward once you go through the official driver route instead of using random third party downloads. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.